Right, we are here with Dara Carpenter, the CEO of ELC Dispatch Solutions. So Dara, could you tell us what we've got here on display at CCIF Toronto?
Well, we have a little bit of swag, a few cups and things, but we're also demonstrating our product that we do have. We are a logistics company that is throughout Canada and into the United States, and we logistically manage the severities and towing of vehicles that have been involved in a loss for an insurance company. Okay. We negotiate the payouts, we make the payouts on the insurance company's behalf, and then we move the vehicle to the next destination.
Awesome, great. So in terms of the towing industry, collision repair, some crossover there, what do you think are some trends or predictions for 2020 in the industry?
Well, I'm hoping with the towing side of it that it does improve a little bit. There's some bylaws that are amending, and there's some legislation that they're trying to follow. There's ups and downs. The towing industry is, it's overall an excellent industry, but there's ups and downs in any business. So we hope to see it improve this year.
Awesome, that's great. So in terms of getting a little more personal here, what are you excited for in 2020? What's something that really says that gets you going about 2020?
Growth.
The growth?
Growth, yes,
awesome.
Growth.
That's so great. So could you give us a little teaser maybe? Does ELC Dispatch have anything coming up in 2020 that you could maybe tell us about?
Well, we're just going to have to wait and see.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Dara.
You're very welcome. Thank you. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Awesome. Have a great night.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.